What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video for us here today. It is freezing out here on the East Coast, so I'm going to be a little bundled up. But today we're going to be installing, funny enough, a TikTok part on the Honda Civic. I've never ordered anything from TikTok shop. This is my first thing, but we're going to go for the ambient lighting kit. I just really want to do one strip, and we're going to get a little install video for that. We're going to just tuck it in through here. And I saw online that you just snip the end there, and I could just USB it into this right here, so it'll be connected out of there. You can see here I've added some carbon fiber accents to here and here. I also have an Alcantara outline to swap out this gloss black, which I'll have to do when it's not cold. I think the temperatures will make it so the 3M doesn't stick so well, so we're going to wait until the spring to do that. I'm also going to do some carbon fibers here and here, and then I'm going to do Alcantara to swap that out. And I think that'll be pretty much everything we're going to do for the interior, but we're going to start working on this ambient light kit. Let's get right into it. So here we go. Here's everything that we're going to need to install this ambient light kit. It's got the 2 strips, some 3M. Oh, there goes all the parts. The 2 strips that go installed by USB. Only going to need one of those. This little tucking tool. This right here. That right there. This instructions here. Pretty self-explanatory. We're going to install this real quick. We're only doing one light strip. We're going to save the other one in case it breaks. This is from TikTok shop, but we'll see how it looks. I got you guys on the dash right here. We're going to untangle this entire wire. I think we're only going to need one. Boop. Nice and easy. And then I saw in the videos that you literally just have to tuck this in between the display right here. So I'm going to start off with tucking it down here. Alright, so I started tucking away some wires because pretty much it's just going to sit in here like that. Like you can see I'm installing this super quickly. Just pushing it in between the trim here. So I tucked away the wire. It's going to end like that right here, so it's not going to be the cleanest, but that's okay. This is like a $10 mod. And the wire is going to run down here in the side. I'm going to see if I can get some painter's tape and see if I could grab it. And I honestly might just leave it like this because I tucked all the wires underneath here. So you got the extra one here, and then you got the other one here. Don't mind my car, it's dusty, it's dirty, it's been winter. So I'm just going to tuck in the rest there and then snip off the extra pieces. And that's pretty much it for this install, which is hilarious because that took no more than like 5 minutes. This video is going to be really short. And then at nighttime, we're going to see how this looks installed to the app, cycle through the features. And if I really want to install the bottom one, I might just do that. It might be a little too much. I really am into OEM Plus looks, and I feel like doing double lights is a little extra, but we will see. We're going to finish this install. I'm going to snip that wire, not snap that wire, and we're going to see what it looks like at night. Oh. There we go. That fits perfectly. There's only one thing left to do, and that is to turn on the car. I'm going to have to hold both cameras, so we're going to see how to do this. I already got it plugged into my detector here, and we got the 1 strip running down, cut it perfectly on the dot, so let's see how it looks. Yo, that is sick. That looks awesome. Damn! For 10 beans? I'm pretty hyped with that. That's so cool. Now let's see, does this controller change anything at all? Damn! Can y'all see this? For like $10, that looks so sick. Definitely adding like a... Yo. Hello. It's listening to the music or to my voice. That is so cool. And I think on the app there's more options of what I can do. Turns my car into a gaming PC, but you know what? I think that looks awesome. We're probably going to leave it on one of these for the most part because it definitely gives an OEM plus kind of finish to that. I do wish I stuck it in all the way to the end here, but to be honest, you can't really see it here. I'm going to use a little bit of masking tape to cover this up and tape that up, but we're going to come back in the evening and get some night shots. Catch you in the next clip. All right, so we're back and it is nighttime. This, for the price that I paid for it, is absolutely insane. I got the app now open on my phone and it just opens a whole new variety of options for this ambient light set. And matched with my LED footwells as well. Insane, insane. I'm gonna make sure I turn that off so that doesn't turn on when I open the doors. But in total, for this entire mod, I paid around like $35. $10 for the one underneath, 20 and some change for this strip here. And if I'm being honest, this has been the easiest mod ever, and it has completely changed the look of my car. I am beyond hyped. I'm gonna turn this light off here, and I'm gonna show you a few of the options on the phone, and I'm gonna get some external shots with these footwells lights as well. Check this out. Look at that. So if we go here on the app, that's just one of the many options. We're using the flow right now. We could do tail, do something like this. And we could speed this up. Here we go, some maximum speed. Super trippy. I don't know about doing that while driving, but it does look very cool. You know, I kind of prefer the slower one. We have running, which is pretty much the same thing as the other one, but pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see what curtain is. Curtain does that. You might have seen this on TikTok before, but it'll do, let's see, we'll do blue. That is so sick. That is awesome. And then we just got the basic strobe, definitely don't want that. And then you have all of these colors here that we could go through. Literally any color you could imagine is on here. I kind of like these oranger ones. It gives more of a like luxe feeling, and then if you put the brightness all the way down, that's super clean. Or we could do blue or this purple. Kind of reminds me of the Mercedes purple. That is in the E series. But I'm super happy. I'm very happy with this mod. So we're gonna leave it on this color here. Put it on this brightness, and I'm going to show you what it looks like from the outside. We have this controller here. This controller here is for the footwell lights down here. And in case you don't have the app or your phone not working or connecting or whatever, you do have this controller that changes the lights. It has way less options, but I'm just going to stash that right here. Everything is coming together in this interior though. I'm tweaking, boy. I'm tweaking. This is crazy to me. Yeah, from the outside, it's looking like this. And if I change the brightness on those, we have a super clean interior now on our Honda Civic. And I close it, it's still visible between the tint. That's okay. You can see it through the back, I think. Yeah. But I'm a super fan. Loving how this is coming out. And with the welds, the footwell lights too. Wonder if we can match the blue here. Nah, not really, but it still looks awesome. So many different combinations to do. I'm super hyped. If you are interested in getting either of these products, I'll see if I can find them in TikTok and put the links in the description for you. And turn this way so you can see me. If you are interested in getting that ambient light set or the footwell lights, I'm gonna drop the link from TikTok in the description. No, I'm not selling these items. I would love to be able to sell these items, but unfortunately I'm not affiliated on TikTok to do so. But that's been my Honda Civic. That's been the ambient light install. I will catch you guys in the next video. If you want to pick them up, link in the bio. Let me know what else you guys would like to see on the channel. And this has been the Blue Channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, and then quick update too. We got the body kit that we got to install. That'll be the next video. I'll catch you in it. Peace.